Hi, this is the OUKITEL C33 and I'll show you how to check battery health with Ampere app on this device. So we should first get the Ampere app from the Play Store, so in the search pool enter the Ampere. And now we should get this application, so tap to install button and wait a couple of seconds. Then just tap to open the app, click to yes I agree, click close and tap to OK on the left down corner. So now we could see here information about battery health. Our battery is in a good condition. And also we got here more information like the battery level, capacity, voltage, model, Android version and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.